Being in the mountains in winter is amazing because the whole landscape changes. It's a whole new aspect to the hills. But it obviously changes the landscape. It can make navigation harder, can be more easy to fall over. The snow can cover hazards and make tripping and falling a little bit more of a problem. And if you do go over, if you twist an ankle or you have to stop for any reason, you can get cold really, really quickly.
So cyn I chi fynd allan yn y gaeaf, mae'r gaeaf yn gallu bod chdi bach, wel, dipyn wahanol i'r haf. Gyda chi llai oriau yn y dydd, so mynd yn dywyll yn gyflymach hefyd. Y prif bethau swn i'n awgrymu chi cyn mynd allan, os ydych chi'n plannu mynd allan, ydy i edrych ar y tywydd, neu siŵr bod chi yn addas ar gyfer y dydd, gwisgo'r dillad addas, ella bod chi angen os chi'n allan yn y rhew, ac yr eira, ice axe, crampons.
If you're coming down a slope in the winter on firm snow and you start sliding, it might be really, really hard to stop sliding, especially if you don't have an ice axe with you. So the Met Office is great. You can get really specific weather for the different hills. And that's really important because low down it might be like it is today, so it'll be really grey and claggy, but getting colder moving up means it could be really snowy and icy further up.
Hefyd, mae gyda ni ground conditions reports, so amodau dan draed, da ni'n contractio rhywun fynd allan bob dydd Mawrth a dydd Gwener i edrych ar y llwybra ac i hefyd reportio fo nôl ar wefan y Wyddfa fyw. Felly swn i'n awgrymu bod chi'n defnyddio hwnnw hefyd efo Met Office.